Eating a handful of walnuts a day will do this to your body. Walnuts are one of the most extremely common ingredients in our daily life. They are round, single-seed stone fruits that are produced by walnut trees. What makes them extra special is that they are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Eating walnuts regularly improves your heart and bone health, prevents heart disease, and much more. We will touch on more of those benefits in a few seconds, so make sure to keep watching. Coming mainly from Central Asia and the Mediterranean area, walnuts have long been part of the human diet for the past thousands of years. Walnuts are often treated as snacks but can also be perfect additions to baked goods, pasta, breakfast cereals, salads, and many more. If you're a walnut lover who loves eating a handful of walnuts per day, stick with us to know how your body can benefit from consuming walnuts. Number 1. Aids in weight management. According to research, routine walnut consumption is associated with increased levels of energy use while resting. Although walnuts are calorie-dense, the energy you get from them is 21% lower than would be expected as per their nutrients. Also, eating walnuts every day may help curb your appetite. Number 2. Improves heart health. Thanks to the high levels of omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts, regularly eating them is highly beneficial to your heart. In fact, munching on a few walnuts a day can help decrease blood pressure. The omega-3 fatty acids are known to promote the production of good cholesterol in the body while reducing bad cholesterol. Number 3. Reduces the risk of cancers. Based on several studies, eating walnuts may reduce the risk of getting breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. Walnuts have high amounts of polyphenol L-argitinins, which can be transformed into urolithinins. These compounds can have anti-inflammatory properties in your gut, protecting you against colorectal cancer. Also, urolithins have hormone-like properties that block hormone receptors in the body. Hence, it may help decrease your risk of getting hormone-related cancers, such as breast and prostate cancers. Number 4. Boosts brain health. Notice how walnut shells look like minuscule human brains? Interestingly, eating walnuts or nuts in general is good for your mind. The nutrients in walnuts may also aid in reducing inflammation and oxidative damage in the brain. On top of that, consuming walnuts every day can remarkably improve your memory, learning skills, and at the same time reduce anxiety. Number 5. Improves immunity. Walnuts are rich in antioxidants, which help stabilize and maintain your immunity to a healthy level. As a result, it prevents the onset of diseases. So if you want the easiest way to boost your immune system, make sure to incorporate some walnuts into your daily diet. Number 6. Promotes a healthy gut. A gut that is rich in health-promoting bacteria and other microbes has more chances of being a healthy gut and good overall health. Meanwhile, an unhealthy composition of your microbiota can cause inflammation and gut disease, boosting your risk of heart disease, cancer, and obesity. Eating walnuts daily can increase the bacteria in your gut that produce butyrate, a fat that nourishes your gut, thus improving your gut health. So, are those 6 benefits enough to convince you to stock up on walnuts? If yes, then make sure to pick the right walnuts. Don't go for shells that have holes and/or cracks. Got any other do's and don't tips when buying walnuts? Share them in the comments below.